Jazakallah. Very good. Very difficult task. You performed so well. Please. See, he's so kind to you now. He's giving you his time now to consume for the whole of the class.
So could you kind of add the metaphorical sense of the Zulumat Salas?
Metaphorical sense, what is the meaning of Zulumat Salas?
I've already explained. You mean religious?
Yeah, spiritual sense.
Spiritual and religious. That is perhaps, I think, this is a very good question, and I've thought of that before, that man is threatened to fail to recognize the purpose of his birth by his own personal ignorance. That could be one darkness cover which would keep him away from the truth. The second would be that Satan would try to mislead him, and everything he is provided with by God will be told by Satan that it was by chance, it was created by chance. God has nothing to do with it. So that is the second cover of darkness, against which man should be cautious and should defend himself from the Satan's inspirations, as the Holy Quran has forewarned us about that, in not only this verse but other verses as well. So man's personal ignorance, the child as is born, he doesn't know the world around, he doesn't know how he was created, who created him. This is the first darkness. The second is created by waswas al-khannas, al-waswas al-khannas. And he goes on breathing into you different things, which is wrong, which is no bearing with the realities. And the third one is when the Prophet comes and brings light, that is the time of the spiritual delivery. Like in children, that's the time when he can be considered as live child or dead child. So when the prophets come, some people do not accept the new birth. They do not understand the importance of a new delivery, which is a spiritual delivery which has been mentioned in the Holy Quran. So they prefer to recede into death and remain dead, like the embryo dies within the uterus. So this is so often, it happens so often, and the Quranic metaphor always refers to such people as apparently living but actually dead, and refers to others as Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is mentioned addressing those who believe. That come to me, I'll make you live. I give you the breath of life. So if they were not there, how could they be addressed as such? So evidently he is speaking of metaphorical life. So as far as the metaphor goes, the third danger which enwraps man is the danger of his being deaf and numb to the voice of prophets of Allah, who call them, beckon them towards him to give them new life. So the simile is perfectly overlapping the material happenings in the uterus and around them. Right? Now, the Imam Sahib has reminded me that there is a janazah which I have to attend before the Zuhr Namaz. But that could be done within the 15 minutes which were left to us. But the family of the deceased person, gentleman, is awaiting my return to my office so that they could come and reach me. And that is an emotional gathering which sometimes takes more than 10 minutes or so. So I should seek leave of you now and attend to them, and having said my 4 rakat of sunnah, then I'll be able to be in time for janazah and zuhr prayer, right? Jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you for reminding me.
Thank you so much.